In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the DialXL Chrome extension to the Chrome browser. So first, you're going to probably have it in a zip file. So I'm going to click here, right click it, open with Windows Explorer. Now right here, this is the zip file that I'm opening up. I'm going to take this folder and put it on the desktop. So now I have the contents of the Chrome extension. Next, you're going to type in this. In the Chrome browser, you will type Chrome://extensions, then press enter. Now on this page, this is showing all your extensions installed. Make sure developer mode is turned on, then click Load Unpacked. Right here, you're going to click on the folder where it's located, only the folder, then you click Select Folder at the bottom. Now enter your DialXL login details. It will tell you that you were successfully logged in. Now, you are going to click this puzzle piece. For example, on my screen, I click here. I see this DialXL extension. I will click this pin icon so that now it's on my browser bar. So then I click the icon and I'm loaded inside the settings page. It says that I'm logged in, and in my account, I'm going to choose which number that I want to use. I will click Save Changes. And also on this screen, this means automatically detect and highlight numbers in a page, so that any page that you browse on the internet using the Chrome browser, it will be highlighted for you to click to call or text. And this is the option to click or call when highlighting a text. Next, you have text templates. So in here, you choose which number that you're going to use also for the texting. Then you're going to fill a template. So right here, I have my template message. I set this as default. I select my number. Then I click Save Templates. The history section will tell you all the numbers that you called or texted while you're browsing the web on the Chrome extension. So it will tell you the status, and if you do make a call, it says complete. The duration was 11 seconds in this example. And then you can also search for the number, you can export the history, and you can also call or text the number in your history. So let me go back to General, make sure this number is selected, and save the changes as well. This is good too. So now I have several web pages open. For example, you can type in your phone number, search it, and if it shows up, you can call it, and a window pops up to the call screen, and you will call the number. I can also send an SMS message, and this is the template that I have. I'll click Send, and the message will be sent. If I am on a support page and I see a number at the bottom, it will be highlighted and I can call or also send a text. I am on the front page of this website. I want to know more information. I'll just give them a call. And immediately I am taken to the call screen where it will automatically dial. On this website, I scroll down and I see this number highlighted here. So I'll give them a call. And on this page, if I scroll down a little bit, this number is highlighted. I can send a text message. And the message will be sent on the bottom corner. You can share this Chrome extension with multiple members on your team. They can log into one DialXL account and then choose a number that they want to use to start calling with. And on the text templates page, you can get creative with each template. You choose a default, and as you can see, I have different uses for how I want to send text messages. This Chrome extension will make calling and texting numbers on any web page very easy and effective. so give this tool a try.